Hello ISPs, this video will give you a walkthrough on how to give an effective ISP seminar in your college. So I'll start with explaining you the things present in the ISP seminar kit. It will contain an official PowerPoint presentation which is on the topic how to land your dream internship through Internshala. You'll be using the same presentation to give the seminar. A seminar write-up which will contain what you will speak during the seminar. This write-up is in 3 different languages: English, Hindi, and Telugu. A checklist which will help you to successfully host the seminar at your college. I'll suggest you to please print this checklist. An attendance sheet which will ask the attendees to fill after hosting the seminar. Seminar proof form, which is a Google form which you will fill after successfully hosting the seminar. A thank you email which you will send to all the attendees. Coming to the reward structure, seminar hosted with the projector will fetch you 30 ISP points. Seminar hosted without the projector will fetch you 15 ISP points. If your training and placement officer, HOD, Dean attend the seminar, you will fetch 10 additional ISP points. If the seminar picture, article is covered in a local newspaper, you will get 10 additional ISP points. You'll also get a certificate of appreciation for hosting a seminar. Top 10 ISPs conducting a seminar with maximum number of students in a month will get an Amazon voucher worth INR 150. Please note, every ISP will get rewarded for conducting one seminar only. Also, minimum 25 students must be present at the seminar. Now, coming to how you will promote your seminar. ISP can promote the seminar by online mediums like Facebook, WhatsApp groups, Google Form, etc. ISPs can even go forward giving classroom announcements in different classes. They can also request their HODs, training and placement officers, coordinators to circulate a notice regarding the seminar at their college. Now, coming to the requisites to get the rewards. That is what you have to do to get the rewards. You have to email us the pictures and the video proofs of the seminar at seminar@internshala.com. Make sure that the pictures and videos are of good quality. Post the pictures and videos of the seminar on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Use hashtag Internshala in campus. Send the thank you email to the attendees. And lastly, fill the ISP seminar proof form. And that's it. After this, you have successfully hosted the seminar at your college. If you have any queries or doubts regarding ISP seminar, feel free to reach out to us using your ISP help center. Thank you and all the best.